This is your spacious living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel. This is the space of your master bedroom where you can place it. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sangvi S3 Skyrise by Sangvi S3 Group located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see this is the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project right in front is Sangvi Eco City. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres that will have one tower of ground plus 2 podium plus 36 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, party lawn, banquet hall, library, kids play area and many more amenities. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on highway near Thakur Mall, Mira Road, from where upcoming metro is only at a distance of 800 meters, Thakur Mall is only at a distance of 1 kilometer, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 300 meters, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing at the 2 BHK of Sangvi S3 Skyrise. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 626 square feet. As you can see, this is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your living is very spacious to place the sofas, center tables and to customize your TV unit. Also, you will be getting full French window with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs. And also, this is the actual tower we are standing in, so you can see the actual view from the project. And this over here will be a dining corner where you can easily place a 4 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, bedrooms and common washroom. First, on this side we have your common washroom that will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, geysers are provided. Also, storage space is provided in the washroom. And moving forward, on this side we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see you also have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine in the other corner as water outlet is provided. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets in the kitchen. Also in the kitchen, you will be getting half-inch windows with glass facade for ventilation and view. Moving forward, diagonally opposite to the kitchen, we have your common bedroom. As you can see, this is the space of a common bedroom where you can place your beds, you can customize your wardrobes, and you can see in this common bedroom, you will also be getting half-inch windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on Housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You will have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner, we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, storage space is provided in this washroom as well. Geysers will be provided. Also, the USP of the project is that you will be getting lights and fans provided, geysers are provided in both the washrooms, and aquaguard is also provided. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sangvi S3 Skyrise. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sangvi S3 Skyrise by Sangvi S3 Group located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.